Polk has been at the center of sound since 1972. That's 50 years of devotion to unmatched craftsmanship, to endless innovation, to fuller, more immersive sonic experiences. So we know great sound comes from this. Not from that. These are Polk Dolby Atmos soundbars, so you can hear your favorite movies, TV, games, and music like this. And after half a century of audio expertise, our soundbars deliver huge, room-filling sound with huge value, with effortless bass, crystal clear dialogue, and easy connectivity. It puts you right at the center of sound. Polk, great sound for all.